everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make these simple kawaii plant charms perfect for beginners. So let's get started. Firstly, you want to make the pot, and the colour I'm using for mine is called Grey Granite by Premo. Start off by rolling it into a ball and then shape the sides by making sure one end is slightly narrower than the other. For the dirt in the pot, I'm taking a small amount of brown clay and flattening it down onto my work surface, roughly the same size as the top of the pot. It also doesn't matter if it looks slightly messy at this point because we won't notice later on anyway. I then added it onto the top of the pot and then created the texture of the dirt using my needle tool by swirling it around gently onto the clay. For the rim of the pot, take some more of the same colour and then roll it into a snake on your work surface. Then flatten it down, I'm using my rolling pin, and then just trim it before wrapping it around the top of the pot. Now moving on to the face, firstly create 2 indents where you want the eyes to go. Next take some black clay and roll 2 even balls for the eyes. For the mouth, I attached on a small U-shaped coil, and then for the cheeks I added on some pink balls of clay. Next, for the actual plant in the pot, I'm taking this green clay. I rolled it into a coil and then trimmed off a bunch of little sections. Then roll these into balls before shaping them into teardrop shapes by applying more pressure on one side than the other. Once you've made enough, all you have to do is bunch them all together. I then trimmed off the bottom to make it flat and then took my liquid clay to help attach the plant onto the pot. Go ahead and add an eye pin to make it into a charm, and then you can bake according to your package's instructions. After baking, you can then secure the eye pin with some super glue and then also add some glaze. I'm using UV resin on mine. And then that is everything for this kawaii plant tutorial. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more crafty videos. If you make your own, don't forget to post a photo on either Instagram or Crafty Amino with the hashtag RachieH96 to be featured in an upcoming video. Bye guys!